Okay. Let's put this one. Yeah, this one's gonna be what we need, maybe. Want some gnocchi we can make in a microwave? That's not a terrible idea. Macro gnocchi. Which one would you like?
Where's 45? It's not fresh.
Doesn't matter. Still could be edible. Edible. Corned gnocchi. I think we're gonna go for
Classic.
tried and tried tested, you know. Well spotted, champ.
This kind of.
Yeah. Microwave gnocchi. Alright, in the right section. Can we find a discount on a bowl or something?
A bowl?
Yeah, so we can just microwave the bowl maybe. There's one over there, the pink one. How much is that? And the one above the little lila and stitch one?
$6.
So the little jug in my hand is still superior. So deeply disappointed in you. You should be looking at that one. Yeah, let's find one, a cheap one of these.
$6. So this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so this is still winning over here, $4.99. Look at that, peanuts. I think there's a discounted section around here. Hey Zoe. How's that for a mug? Oh, we found the mugs finally. Right here.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. How much are they?
I'm sure they all vary.
About the same. They're $4.99, same price as my soup thing here. You like that one more? Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll put down the soup mug then.
It's a bucket.
Is the microwave pretty safe?
Made in China. I don't know.
Microwave gnocchi. That's funny. So I get a microwave bowl? Pardon?